Pretty awesome. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Easy Bake Oven, going for a little ride today. It's been a little while since I got out and had a decent, good ride on the bike, so I've probably been going for maybe an hour already. Thought I'd start filming something and take you guys along to probably one of the most photogenic little stretches of road that I know of anyway. And the ride to the stretch of the road that is really photogenic is actually really nice as well. It's all along the beach here, along the coast, which is also super nice to look at. I actually don't I hate going to the beach. It's very un-Australian of me, but I don't like the beach. Sand, it all gets up in your bits, you know, and you find it like weeks later. Also very un-Australian of me, I don't like Vegemite. I also don't wear thongs. Not thongs as in the ones that go up your bum thongs, as in thongs, the ones that go on your feet thongs. People call them flip-flops, but in Australia we call them thongs. I don't like them either. Don't like the beach. Don't like Vegemite. Don't like thongs. Am I even Australian? Ooh, a lowrider fella. Nice, nice, nice. Come on, you fucking. Alright, I'm stuck in these gloves forever now. Here we go. Glug, glug, glug. So yeah, as I was saying earlier, this is a nice stretch of road, don't get me wrong. But there's a certain bit of it that is really photogenic, really nice, really cool looking bit of road that, yeah. Anyway, you'll see when we get there. The only negative to it is it's not long enough. It's so cool, but it only goes for like 2 minutes. Just like me. Man, what a house that is. So cool. Worth like $1 bajillion though. Okay everyone, this is it. Camera's on? Yeah. This is called the Sea Cliff Bridge. And it is cool. It's pretty awesome. So all that. And all that. I just wish the whole coastline was like this. It would be so awesome. Right up there is where we're going. But that's it. That's the Sea Cliff Bridge. That's the whole thing. So, yeah, it's a bit of a shame it's so short because it's just so cool. point that I was pointing to before is called Bald Hill. That's a pretty popular spot up there. They do all the I don't know what you call it. It's not kite surfing. What am I thinking? And it's not base jumping. It's like they're in these like cocoon things, and they got the parachutey things, and they launch off the cliff. I don't know, and they sort of just fly around the cliff. Yeah, I don't know what it's called. I can't remember, but it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Why would you ride up this hill? How are you doing that to yourself, my friend? Strap a motor to that bike. You'll have a much better time. Say, look at that shit. What's that shit called? What's that called? Look at them all. Look at him in his little cocoon, just floating there. I'll park up here next to this Harley boy. And that right down there, GoPro's probably not getting it, but that's the Sea Cliff Bridge that we were just on. And this is where all those flying cocoon psychos are. That's the Sea Cliff Bridge down there. Anyway, that was Bald Hill. Cool little spot. I hope you enjoyed that little video. Hit me up on Instagram at EasyDoesItMoto. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you aren't already, maybe subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. I appreciate you all for watching. Goodbye.